My Bosch Integra 800 won't allow me to select a wash cycle anymore. I was trying to find the extra drying component and hit too many buttons. Help. Save me $200 over a service call, please.
Hello, my name isXXXXX will assist you.
Hi Rick.
I know you said you turned power on and off. What I would like you to do now is unplug the unit for 3 minutes. We are going to try and reset the board.
How? It's under the counter between cabinets. I don't know where the plug is.
Can you find the circuit breaker in your breaker box?
Yes, but that's what I already flipped. I flipped the breaker control for the whole house.
Okay, I didn't understand. I thought you just turned off. When you try to start a cycle, what happens?
I am able to get a wash cycle, 155 minutes, probably normal cycle? But not select if I want normal, auto, heavy, delicate, etc.
Can you look on the right side of the door and give me the complete model number?
When I turn the power button on, I get a time in the cycle countdown. If I try to select auto, delay, anything, I get nothing. I will hold on. SHX68 or 56UC/63 I think. I have done the hold the power button /cancel/reset thing. Always defaults to this. Originally I was trying to reset the heat because things weren't drying like they used to. Found that, but think I hit too many other buttons. I'd had no other problems before. Unit is 1.5 - 2 years old. Are you still there?
Thank you, give me a second.
Okay.
Sorry, I am looking at past post. If you have done the reset and it is not working, I am worried. We need a new control. Please give me a few more minutes.
It's not like I saw things going bad. It was literally after I hit multiple buttons.
I am very sorry, I cannot find any more information that could help us here.
Okay.
I am going to opt out so that another tech may be able to help you better than myself. I am sorry I could not help any better.
Okay, do stay online?
Yes, hopefully someone will answer you quickly.
Don't know if anyone's going to come back to answer this or if I will be charged yet. I'll add, I've seen other codes when I've tried to reset. C8P0. Not sure what they mean. The manual says nothing about them.
Since the issue is likely within the electronic timer/control, specifically the heater relay solder joint. A faulty flow switch, NTC or heater can also cause this, but not very probable. I know you think you may have pushed too many buttons, but all the signs are leading towards a control board being bad. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Don't worry, you are not charged unless you accept our answers. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hello, the computers on the Bosch dishwasher can basically get confused sometimes and need to be reset. All you need to do is push the two buttons labeled on the control panel together at the same time and hold them for 3 seconds. Then simply shut the door and wait. You will hear the drain pump run for a minute or so, then shut off. At that point, open the door and hit the power button. The computer is now reset. If there is anything else I can assist you with, please let me know. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.